Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keila C, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys on how to do this basic look that only takes 15 minutes, I swear, from 0 to 100. First, we're going to start off by carving out our brows. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, I believe. I'm just going to carve out the bottom of my brows, and I'm just going to bring everything down, sis. Blend it all the way down because you want to cover up all those dark eyes. Well, if you do have dark eyes like me. And we're just going to bring it down and blend it out. Next, we're going to take a wet beauty blender. And with that wet beauty blender, we're just going to dab, 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 dab. And blend the rest of that concealer out and get the extraness off or whatever. Next, I'm going to take a concealer that's closer to my complexion. And I'm going to carve out the top of my brows. I haven't filled them in yet, but if you do have thicker brows, I suggest to do this step first. And secondly, after both of them are concealed, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup and I'm going to just take a fluffy brush and set under my brows or whatever. I'm going to set my eyes. Next, I'm going to take a pencil I got from Walmart, my fave pencil. I'm just going to carve out my brows, just the end of it, just add some extraness to it. After that, I'm going to prime my faces. Yes. And I'm going to take my two fave concealers. Foundations Fit Me. I'm using two because I got a little tan or whatever, so I have to mix. I know I'm using warm coconut. I'm going to dab the end, dab, dab, dab with a fluffy foundation brush. Excuse me, I just can't talk today or whatever. Just going to dab, dab, dab. Make sure I blend everything out. Make sure I blend to my neck, by my nose, in between my eyes, and most definitely my little small forehead, and blend it into your hairline, sis. Don't be afraid to get no foundation in your hairline unless you got a lace front. Not lace front. What is it called? Frontal. Yeah, that. Whatever. Next, I'm going to take my wet beauty blender. I'm going to dab, 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 dab. Make sure everything is blended completely and is into my skin. Don't never rub your foundation. Always dab it, sis. Or whatever. Next, after this, I'm going to take my concealer in the lighter color, and I'm going to put it under my eyes. I'm going to pull it down, blend it all the way out. Oh, Lord, I'm tired of talking. But yeah, you get what I'm saying. Just conceal it all the way out. Okay. Cardi voice or whatever. I'm just going to do both under both eyes. Just going to conceal out in the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And after that, I'm going to get the tip of my nose. And also, I'm going to get my smaller forehead and my chin. Don't forget to hit all of those spaces. Okay, sis? And after that, I'm going to go back with my wet beauty blender. I'm going to dab, 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 dab. I'm going to blend that all the way out. If you have to count to 56 while you're doing this to make sure everything is complete, do it. Especially to you beginners. Okay. After blending everything out, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to dab it with my wet beauty blender, blow it off, and I'm going to dab it into my skin. I don't set my setting powder. I dab it into my skin. We'll press it into my skin so I can get that finished airbrush look. I'm going to do everywhere I put concealer, I'm going to put this setting powder. You get it? You get what I'm saying, sis? Yeah. I'm going to hit the tip of my nose and everything like that. And after that, I'm going to go back with my foundation brush and I'm going to press that into my skin, not adding anything extra. What I'm looking at? Anyways, not adding any more extra foundation. I'm just going to go around. I don't know why I do this. I've seen somebody do this. This why I do it. It make me feel better. Now I'm going to take my contour brush and palette I got from Walmart in True Complexion. I'm going to use that darker shade. And I'm going to go from ear to middle of my jaw, back and forth, just brushing, giving me that airbrush look or whatever. Just something cute, cutting my jaw, yes, on my little forehead, my chin, all of that, you know. Nothing too harsh, sis. Just do you, do you. Next, I'm going to take my very favorite highlighter at this point. You can tell it's my favorite. I got it from Walmart. It's Maybelline. I don't know which one it is. It's the one that look like rose gold, basically. Yeah, just Walmart Maybelline highlight. It's my favorite. I use it on all my clients. I want to get the tip of my nose. I want to get my chin. Basically, everywhere I put my concealer, I'm going to put that. After that, I'm going to get my blush I got from Walmart. I honestly don't know the name of it. And I'm just going to add a little bit on, just so I can feel cute over there. And after that, I'm going to go back with my highlighter. And I'm going to put in the corners of my eyes a little highlighter. And also, I'm going to add it on the tip of my brow bone. Just extra so I can glow, sis. Next, I'm going to take my Pretty Blinks University lashes and I'm going to snatch those on. After that, I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Setting Mist. And with that, I'm going to dab it in just to make sure everything is cute and secure. After that, I'm going to take my Ghetto Girl Gloss, that's what we call it in my hometown, from the hair store, sis. Pop that on. Then I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. Boom. You ready. You ready for the night. Let your hair down, put your wig on. Boom. Thanks for watching.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my